And I will try to deny those things. Hey.
Yeah, man, this is Roland Boy representing for Dancehall Truth. You don't know so oh. Big up yourself, Bingy. You don't know so Roland Boy so that. Sound why? Why do you allow somebody see in your face, Johnny Dollar?
Yeah, my people. Give thanks again for another reason, you know. So, as a youth, we grew up on certain kind of music, and we grew up on the Rasta vibration in a them time. There you see it, and the Exterminator Crew, that crew there, it was responsible for one whole heap of the consciousness where impart upon the youth them we grew up in my generation. Seeing the sizzler, the Luciano. Yeah man. Jesse Jed and the whole of them. Yeah man, them man there when one staple part of our vibration coming up. You see it? And we used to hear some little things surface around in the streets and them kind of things there about the firehouse. How it kind of did. You understand? The Exterminator Crew, I mean. How the Exterminator Crew when I go on and why Luciano exited the crew. So I come across a little video and me hear Luciano explain her vibes. So me know say enough words who tried up Rasta in a them time there. I used to hear the speculation this go be a bit informative to them, you see it, and it go confirm some of the things them where people used to whisper around, and it might just debunk some of the other conspiracy them where exist. So I could take a little time and we listen just a little part where Luciana explain what really go down in other time.
You had a historical run with Firehouse Crew and Dean Fraser. What really caused everyone to part ways? In retrospect, would you have done anything different to prevent the separation?
Well, I tell you God truth, you know, I've never wanted to part with Xterminator or Firehouse Crew. But it had reached a stage where when Caesar came in the crew, after a while, Caesar started giving up some different vibes. And his type of songs, he started singing certain type of songs. And because first song Caesar did when I accosted him, when I approached him, I said, Caesar, what you doing a song like Smoke the Herb and Get a Humble Thought? Babylon Can't Stop the Sun, what's it, not that. And I said, my brother, come here. If you get a humble thought, what make you have your rat, my brother? What you mean by rat? I say, you have your cuss bad word. Yeah, my word are bad. I say, guile word. So I say, right away, I'm ready to find passage to show him, say, you know, I and I have to control, and the words of I and I mouth and meditation of I and I heart be acceptable in their sight. So if you assume this position as a high priest, turban up and say, Emmanuel, you sing all them great songs like Black Woman and Child and Mountains Around Jerusalem, if a blaspheme your job. What's the need to go over that side to go sing them kind of thing? So he kind of scoffed at me, and he never took the advice or my reprimand lightly. And I think he took offense to what I said to him. And so I went to Fatis. I said, Sir Fatis, you don't hear one song Caesar about there, cuss up a bad road and thing and Fatis, you know, Fatis turned to me and said, well, him young, you know. Him young, man, so, you know, so I have to just sit with him. So I say, young? So I say, Fatis, look all these years, me and you live on this road and we have built a label and you have a catalog of hits after hits. And you tell me now you're going to just allow a young youth now to just come mash up what we have and spoil what we have then. So come on, man. We say, no, that is young. And no, you have to talk to the man. Talk to the youth before him turn a man stop and you know Fatis. Fatis never listen. Fatis low, Sister for doing thing, and then Sister went deeper into the profanity and started singing some other things. So when I see this kind of thing, I said, no, this is where I have to part ways. Because Fatis was not strong enough to control Sister. And then the negative vibe was creeping up. And at the same time, it was Jesse Gender was also in Sizzler's ears, telling him a bunch of things. Because Jesse Gender came in the crew. I thought he came as a good brother, but I thought he had ulterior motive. Why I say this? When Jesse Gender first came into the Xterminator, Jesse was wearing Jerry curls when he came to Jamaica. Barefoot pants and some nice, I mean, he was just like an Italian, one of them Italian mafia. That's all Jesse had long. I'm not putting on, I'm not taking off. The truth is the truth, Empress. But some star said to him, Jesse Gender had one, I remember one time he had a pants with some big buckle at the front. I said to him, Jesse, mine lightning lick them buckle there and lick out. You're in Australia now, you're what you do? Watch them buckle there. And I said, what are you talking about? It's lightning. And we are the lightning god. Bona Magaga and all that. So Jesse came with that energy and it started going into Caesar's head. From Jesse came into the Xterminator Crew, Caesar started born God too. Because Jesse was a man with born in God and all kind of things. You know, say, I'm not putting on, I'm not taking off. The truth is the truth.
Yeah, people. So, yeah. There's a lot to unpack in our small clip. Because, yeah, we used to hear some of them things in our street, and you understand? But, yeah, people be the judge. One of the things that when they happen this, somebody when I reprimand somebody or somebody when I try to control the growth of a next one, I don't know. I just ask some questions still. That's it. Yeah, man, so. Yeah. Yeah, it's a lot. It's a lot. It's a lot. People, they tell me one thing. Alright. Stay blessed. Heart of love.
Wow. Oh, yeah. Don't you see what is happening out there? Rachel crash the bank and drive in fear. Financial market crash here and there. Stock market go flat and savings beer. Oh, it's a worldwide scare. Slaves lose their money and lose their share. Naked and